Want to record a Zoom meeting or presentation on your laptops? This video shows you exactly how to do it and what settings matter and where exactly your recording goes. Before proceeding, please make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK and let's get started. First, go ahead and sign up with your free Zoom account at zoom.us. It takes 10 seconds. You can join meetings from a Zoom app or directly from your browser. After creating a Zoom account, let's go ahead and sign in to Zoom app or the Zoom browser. Both will work perfectly. Now let's go ahead and start a new meeting. I want to disable the video and I want to keep audio enabled. Let's start it. The meeting has been started. Please note that with a free Zoom account, you will find a record option that will save your video recordings directly to your computer. By default, only the host can record the meetings. If you are a participant, you will see a request to record option. The host can approve it by clicking your name and choosing allow to record. This is one of the most important record settings in the Zoom meeting. Make sure it's clear who has the permission. So in this meeting, we are the host. To record any presentations in your Zoom meeting, first let's go ahead and click on the share. I want to share this presentation that is already open on my laptop. The next option we want to choose here is go to more button and we could see record option here. Let's go ahead and start the recording.
Recording in progress.
Now our recording has been started. We could go ahead and start with our presentations. If you want to pause your video recording at some point, just go to more button again and here we have the option to pause the recording. If we go to stop recording, that will completely stop this recording.
Recording stopped.
If I stop the recording and stop share, let's say our meeting has been ended. Let's close the Zoom and end meeting for all. This is converting and saving my video recording to the folder. Let's verify this quickly. Now our recording has been started and we could go ahead and start with our presentations. Okay. It's perfectly recorded to our computer. We always have additional audio files provided by Zoom if you want to add it or update it later on. Please note that by having free Zoom account, you will get recording locally in your computer. But you have a Zoom Pro account or paid account. After a login, you will be going to have your recording in the cloud. And this is great to keep your important recording in the cloud and share them online. And that's how to record Zoom meetings and presentations on your laptop with a free or paid account. Quick, easy, and all from your own device. Drop a like if this helped, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.